Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Give everybody just a second to hop on here. It is 2-Minute Tuesday, which might be one of my new favorite things that I'm doing. I don't know. I just think it's a lot of fun. This is only the second one I've done, but the first one was fun. So we are going to keep going with 2-Minute Tuesday and see how it goes. So if you are hopping on here, say hi. I really hope I'm on the right page. For 2-Minute Tuesdays, I'm just doing my one camera angle because I need to stand up when I do this. Because if I try and sit down, I don't know, it's just easier if I stand up when I try and do this in 2 minutes. So if you're on here, if you could say hi, let me know that you're watching. If you're watching on replay, comment replay so I can see who's watching on replay. I'm going to talk really quick about what I'm going to do today. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. That's why I chose the Live Simply transfer today, because it's 2-Minute Tuesday. Pretty easy, right? So this is just a sign blank that I found. I had an extra one back from when I didn't make this, but when I used to do regular signs. And it's got the little keyhole in the back, and so it's already been waxed. It's already good to go, and it was already assembled, so it came like that. Awesome. I didn't have to do anything. And then I've got my Live Simply transfer. I'm going to do the Live in black, and I'm going to do Simply in, is this Thai teal? Thai teal. This is a retired color, but we do have colors that are similar to this if it's something you're interested in. And then after I get done making it, part of 2-Minute Tuesday is that I have to wash the transfer as well. So the 2 minutes includes washing the transfer. And I've got my pan over here, and I'll pull that over when it's time to go. So if you're tuning in, say hi. It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and we are going to make a project from start to finish in 2 minutes. So let me I have my iPad here. I'm going to, clock. I'm going to get an actual timer going because last time I didn't have a real timer. Uh-oh, my battery's dying. What's up with that? Timer. And we are going to go 2 minutes. Okay, we got that. You guys ready? All right, let's see if I can do it from start to finish. Here we go. 3, 2, I always get so nervous. If I mess up, I'm gonna be like, 1. All right, go. Can you guys see the clock? I don't know if you can see it or not. I just fuzzed it up once really quick. We're not getting fancy over here. Yeah, you guys can see the clock, right? There we go. So my goal is to have the project done in a minute and then take a minute to wash my transfer. So super easy on the black. Where's my squeegee? Oh my gosh. I had a squeegee pulled out. And now I can't find it. And I'm not being very fancy about this, guys. I'm just kind of going for it. 1:15 left. It's kind of hard because this board is a little bit narrower than the transfer. All right, make sure I got it all in there. Ta-da. All right, 1 minute left. Eek. Hey everyone, it's 2-Minute Tuesday. Ta-da. Doing a project from start to finish in 2 minutes. All right, time to wash it. It would help if I filled my water bottle with water first. 40 seconds. Remember, oops, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I'm getting a little too aggressive, you guys. Getting a little aggressive here. That one is dry. 27 seconds. I hope you can see this. I can't see my camera. Clorox wipe the front. Clorox wipe the back. Take the backer paper. I put the backer on the transfer instead of putting the transfer on the backer. Just makes it a little bit easier. Ta-da. Beep, beep, beep. All done. Yay. That's it. Wasn't that so easy, guys? Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you are just tuning in, you just missed 2 Minute Tuesday. So go back and watch again. Yay, that was actually less stressful than it was last week. And I like the transfer that I chose. Be simple. Now, I think I said this last week, I should probably include cleaning up my squeegees, right? But I'm going to say this is close enough. So I could leave it like this. I might add, like, I'm not going to do it today, but if I can get some flowers or make a little bow or something, kind of jazz it up a little bit. You don't want it too fancy because the phrase is live simply, right? So be simple. Sometimes less is more. I think that's why I like 2 Minute Tuesday. So you don't have to overthink it, right? Hey, Megan. Do you... Hold on, I can't see because my camera mount is in the way. Just a second. Let me I'm going to sneak under here and look. Do you sell those? Are you talking about the frames? The pre-made signs, I bought those. And I don't think she makes them anymore. I bought a ton of them, and then I think she stopped making them. But I do have somebody else that I found that can probably make something similar. So I just had a little bit of a boo-boo there. So Megan, if you're interested, that you just did. You mean the whole sign, like everything together, like finished? If so, then yes. We do sell the transfers. We sell the paste. I don't sell the frames blank, but I can sell, I think this is the only frame that I have. So if you wanted it finished, let me know. Okay. Message me, Megan, and I'll get you taken care of. Okay? Isn't that easy? That's all. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in today. I know that was short, that was quick, but that's the point. It's 2 Minute Tuesday. Tomorrow night, before I forget, tomorrow is Watts of Love Wednesday, and tomorrow is going to be an auction-style video, and it is going to be a fall-themed sign that is going to be up for auction. Highest bidder gets it, plus shipping. And I'm really excited about this one. I think it's going to be super cute. I've been waiting to do this project. It was one of the This or That Thursdays a couple weeks ago. And yeah, so that'll be tomorrow night, probably around 8:30 Central Time-ish. That's my guess. So make sure you're here tomorrow, Watts of Love Wednesday. I will see you guys then. Otherwise, I will, I'm going to sign off. So bye. Have a good Tuesday.